Manipur Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Singh today distributed power tiller, brush cutter, organic inputs to FPCs and quality planting materials to farmers under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region and Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA at Horticulture and Soil Conservation Office Sanjantong. He also distributed power tillers, tractors and planting materials to farmers under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Singh flagged off the first airlifting of organic pineapples from Manipur for the year 2020 at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport today. The initiative was taken up by Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA through the help of Kroshi Karma Naturals Private Limited under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region Phase 2. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, residents in border town More are facing extreme hardships due to prolonged curtailing of trade activities along the Indo-Myanmar border. According to our More correspondent, many of the residents who earn their livelihood by selling commodities at Namphalong market are now desperate for income. Manipur Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar Singh inaugurated a 100-bedded COVID care center at Thoubal district today. State Health Director, Deputy Commissioner Thoubal district and other concerned authorities attended the function. Manipur reported 11 fresh cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The total COVID-19 cases in the state now stands at 1,593. According to the COVID-19 Command Control Room update, the fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratory of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Imphal and Sub-District Hospital, Jiribam. In continuation of its cleanliness drive in Imphal and other important places, the Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC today cleaned DM College Gate and ABC Godown areas spraying disinfectants. Today's drive was a part of the cleanliness program to be carried out at 14 important places in Imphal. Cops in Imphal East and West District launched crackdown against auto carrying passengers by defying COVID-19 lockdown. During the drive, many autos were detained in different parts of Imphal. Meanwhile, cops also peeled off tinted glass from several four-wheelers at different places today. CRPF headquarters Langjing held a mass tree plantation drive today at Langjing Hill as a part of Van Mahotsav Week. IGP MNN Sector Nagaland Randip Datta, DIG Irungbam Lokendra, DIG DK Tripathi, DIG Suresh Sharma and other top officials took part in the plantation. With rapid surge in the number of COVID-19 positive cases in neighbouring Assam, particularly in capital city Guwahati, the state government has extended another one-week lockdown in Guwahati. The total number of COVID-19 positive cases in Assam has soared to 16,071 with 5,607 active cases. 10,426 individuals were discharged and 35 have succumbed to the disease in the so far. Torrential rains have caused the water of the Siang River rise to a dangerous level in East Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. The river is flowing above the danger mark since the night of 10th July last and flood waters has already entered the low-lying areas of Pasighat. According to a media report, there has been heavy downpour in the hilly areas due to which major tributaries of the Siang rivers are flooded.